we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Wirhao Foldable Non-Inflatable, Outdoor Swimming Pool, Hard Plastic Shell Kid Pool, that's include. Large space. Our extra-large foldable swimming pool is designed to accommodate both kids and adults, providing ample space for family fun and relaxation. High quality. Made with a hard plastic shell and premium PVC surface, and built in new high-strength PP hard plastic shell to difficult to collapse and is resistant to punctures or leaks. Anti-skid bottom design makes your children safer when bathing or playing water. Foldable design. With its collapsible design, MOT need an extra air pump to inflate. This kid pool can be quickly set up and folded down for convenient storage. Say goodbye to bulky, inflatable pools that take up valuable space when not in use. Comfortable and safe. The interior of the dog pool features a medium-density fiberboard or MDF lining, providing a comfortable seating area and added stability. Rest assured knowing that you and your loved ones can enjoy a safe and enjoyable swimming experience. Quick drainage. Kid pool have 2 drains at the bottom and side for faster drainage, without leaving a lot of water in the pool, can save you time and easily clean the backyard pool. Summer fun. Beat the heat and create lasting memories with our foldable non-inflatable swimming pool. Whether it's a playful splash for the kids or a relaxing soak for the adults, this pool is perfect for creating a refreshing oasis right in your own backyard. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.